Making music is now made easy. You can record your own song using BandLab, and I'll show you how. Your first step is to download backing tracks into your phone. When you do this, you go back to the app and click on the plus sign. The first option says import tracks, so import tracks based on what you downloaded, and that will appear on your first section. Once your karaoke is ready, you can start recording songs. So first we'll go to voice mix, and then you start recording your song just like that, and then you go back and you can record a third track in case you want to add ad-libs or chorus. On the top right corner of your screen you can see a feather icon. This is for the lyrics section. You can either type in your lyrics or copy paste from Google. In this section we will see how to copy paste segments in your tracks. So over here I'll copy one segment and paste it on the other side, which will save me a lot of time in case I want to repeat the lyrics or the song segment. You can also copy paste it on the new track in case you want to give a chorus effect to your song. And that is how you record a song on BandLab. Now it's time to save it. And if you want, you can also rename it by clicking on the bottom right icon. Select project settings and name your new song, and it gets saved to your gallery.